Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorials. So in this video I'll be going to show you how to hide picture and video files in Android smartphone. So let's begin the tutorial. Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So here I have two files in my gallery. It is a picture file and a video file. So to hide this file from showing up from the gallery, what you need to do is to go into file manager, and here you need to rename this file. Tap on it and click on rename. Here just remove the file extension. You need to remove the file format. For the image also you do the same thing. You need to remove the JPG from the file name, and it's hidden from the gallery. And to view this file again, you need to go to the file manager again, and you can view file from file manager by simply clicking on this files. You will be able to see. So in this way you can easily hide any video and picture files in Android smartphone without installing any application. So if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.